Drawing is a magical process. When you see how images come to life from an emptiness on a white sheet. I like to try different materials, but for now I'm absolutely in love with markers. Why? Because they are bright, saturated, and you can achieve beautiful smooth color transitions. And unlike paints, you don't have to deal with water jars, brushes, easels and other stuff like that. It's just markers and paper. Markers are easier to learn for beginners. All you need is a little time investment to achieve a nice result. In my new Skillshare class, we will draw a step-by-step illustration of a cotton branch, from a pencil sketch to a full sketch illustration using a minimum of materials. Welcome to my class. Hope you will enjoy it.